Hi, this is Greg, the owner of ProCraft. Hey, I wanted to introduce you to one of the big benefits of the Neo system. We call it the 10 Fundamentals of Excellence. Number one, you talk and work one-on-one with your own personal technician that's doing your work. Nothing can replace personal one-on-one communication. Number two, you receive a 7-point QC check card from your personal technician authenticating your quality. It's included in each case. The QC check card gives the technician one more opportunity to get it right and put it in writing. Number three, all your work is done under 10 power microscope. With magnification, there's no place to hide, so precision margins and fit rule the day. Number four, we use our microlayer technology on all our anterior restorations. All the translucency and mamelon effects are hand layered into the restoration using the techniques of the masters. MLT is a slightly abridged version of the same multi-powder, segmented buildup technique taught to me in Zurich by master ceramist Willie Geller back in the early 90s. Number five, we hand pumice and polish all ceramic and zirconia surfaces to reduce wear of the opposing teeth and replicate natural tooth structure. Hand polishing and pumicing the ceramic and zirconia surfaces before and after glazing ensures two things. First, when the glaze on the occlusal surface wears off, there will be no rough areas to damage the opposing dentition. Second, we polish the glazed surface also because ceramic particles in the glazed powder will also be abrasive to the occlusion, and your patients will feel the natural difference. Number six, your PVS impressions are scanned using our Micro CT scanner. The Micro CT scanner is the newest addition to our 10 Fundamentals of Excellence. Many clinicians still prefer PVS impressions, and this new technology is the absolute best impression replication system in the world. It provides some of the same digital advantages to PVS users as iOS digital scanning systems, including the $10 discount per unit for models cases. Number seven, we digitally print or use conventional, unsectioned stone models, your choice, with no moving parts and with a separate die. It is still a common practice to pin models and create removable sections to make the job easier and more convenient for the lab. But doing this lends itself to many opportunities for error on contacts and occlusion. To solve this, we engineered and manufacture our own model system. We call it the DigiDeck. As simple as the system sounds, it is a big reason why we have very little adjustments on our restorations. Number eight, we use digital computer scales on all powder and liquids to guarantee accurate expansion rates. We left human error behind years ago and rely on digital scales and digital liquid dispensing. The technician puts the bowl and the stone on the scale and pushes one button, and just like that, the exact amount of liquid is dispensed. It's as close to automatic as it gets. Number nine, we test each bag of dye stone with a custom-made instrument I get from a friend in Switzerland to control accurate expansion rates. Most clinicians and lab technicians have no idea about this one. The dye stone from manufacturers is not always as accurate as they say. The high standard we expect cannot tolerate inconsistency. When I was training in Zurich, I spent time at the lab of Walter Gebhardt. He introduced me to this instrument, and since then we've tested each bag of dye stone when it's open. If we tell you the crown didn't fit because the impression was off, you can have confidence that that's the reason. It can't possibly be the model with these safeguards. And finally, number 10, all your zirconia anteriors will have natural fluorescence. That's the way real teeth are, and that's the way we'll make your anterior restorations. All monolithic zirconia materials on the market do not fluoresce like natural teeth. Most technicians and clinicians know nothing about this important element of natural teeth. This has an incredible negative effect on aesthetics and shade matching. We've invested years of testing and take the extra time and effort to provide this effect with every anterior we create. This is just one part of the Neo system. We hope you see the benefits in our pursuit of excellence. As always, we'll see you next time.